see what's up with this guy today. It's parked down here, I could see. Doors left open. Looks like glass was possibly repaired. Ooh, it's chilly in here. Yes. I think it's down here. It should be. No, it's not. Oh, it was up at 2. At least the chime is normal now. Good boy. Oh, the fan is a lot. It's a lot lower this time. Some dirty stuff in here. All right, see if it's still low in oil. It's fixed! Wow! Finally! That was long months. Finally, guys. This elevator's been taken care of. And the chime used to sound terrible when my buddy Jay and Elevate in Chicago and IO were here. This is where we are specifically. I just saw the thump. Let's go up one more time. Man, I'm so glad I got to experience this. We're a bit under level, but it doesn't re-level this time. I wonder if it'll recall. I don't think it will because it's warm out. It's May of 2026. Let's see. Yes, it is. Unless someone called it. There's the fan up there. All right, there's fire service right there. Wow. This one and the single lonely one in the red garage or elevator 3 finally got what it needed. That's it. Good boy. Everybody, guess what? This elevator is no longer low on oil. Let me show you. That door operator still sounds like it always does. I can't tell if it's cycling. I don't hear it cycling oil at all. So the hydraulics are not running. It was still recalled down here, but maybe this has a parking feature. It parks down here at 1 after a certain amount of time. But these both do park down here when it's cold for oil cycling, as you know, over the winter. All right. It's fixed. See? Alright, there's your update. That'll be it.